Samsung have finally teased what looks to be their next Galaxy Unpacked event, which we all know by now should be for their upcoming flagship for 2022, the Galaxy S22 series. The tagline for the teaser video reads, "Ready to break the rules," which has us thinking this time round, how far are Samsung pushing the boundaries? Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our quick thoughts on the new Unpacked teaser trailer for the Galaxy S22 series. This 15-second trailer is courtesy of Samsung's official YouTube channel, which was posted on the 20th of January 2022. As the trailer is short and sweet and doesn't give much away, here's what we've been able to take from it so far. The trailer basically showcases two phones rotating in a black silhouette presentation, which hides the look of the devices. Around the 8-second mark of the teaser, if you pause it and frame it, the shapes of both devices are given away, with the left phone showing more rounded corners, giving us the indication that this will be the S22 Plus and or the base model S22 design. The real surprise, or you could actually say confirmation, is the phone on the right, which shows a more boxy square design, much like we've come to know and expect from the Note series. The teaser then finishes off with the tagline, "Ready to break the rules," with the shape of the more boxy phone in the background. If this is not a dead giveaway that the rumored Galaxy S22 Ultra will now be taking on the mantle of the Note, not just in terms of the design, but also in the hardware function of having the ability to embed the S Pen into the frame of the phone, then the only thing left is to see it in person come the Unpacked announcement and also when having hands-on. The only thing the teaser trailer did not tell us is the actual date of the Unpacked event. Now, the person who did seem to actually give us this indication of a time frame of when to expect the Unpacked is the current president of Samsung Electronics, Dr. T.M. Rowe. T.M. Rowe says, and I quote, "At the Unpacked in February 2022, we'll introduce you to the most noteworthy S-series device we've created." Now, as we are not in the leap year, there are 28 days in the month of February 2022. So which day Unpacked will be is our guess for now, but stating that Samsung will introduce the most noteworthy S-series device ever created is another giveaway for the S22 Ultra being more Note series this time round. As you know, we'll be keeping a close eye once this is confirmed and giving you all the coverage you need when it comes to the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. Are you as excited as we are? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.